Welcome to the Kiefer's Hot Rod Shop YouTube channel. I'm Nick Kiefer. I really want to thank y'all again for all the viewership and for subscribing and liking my videos. I'm starting to get some great numbers and I'm really thankful. It's been super cool so far and I can't wait for it to grow some more. Today's just a quick little update. Got a new thing for the shop and it's really big and it should be really helpful, and I have got it sitting right here. So without further ado, let's check it out. Oh boy, here's the big machine. Daggum. That's a lathe and a half. Well, let's see if the 50 will do it. If not, we'll have to go get the 80. Oh boy.
Might not be big enough.
Yeah, we're stepping up to the 80. See if that can lift that thing. Ooh.
Real slow ride.
Yeah. Keep eye on that fender.
That's what I'm putting.
Yeah. All right. Oh, it's pretty far away from all that. All right. Yeah. Closer to the ground feels better at this point. This would be the chance to paint the bottom of it, though. Yeah. All right. Yeah, go ahead and see. Can it move over that way a little bit? All right. This thing is huge. What an awesome lathe. So, apparently it's from January of 1945, so right at the end of World War II, which is just incredible. It's a Monarch, and just been checking out all the levers and stuff on this. Got all these threads that it can do, really cool adjusters and stuff, and it's got a bunch of chucks with it. There's all sorts of cool stuff. This it moves really nice. It's just amazing. Super cool. I'm stoked. Can't wait to really figure this thing out and learn how to use it. I figure you can do just about anything with it. It's a Haas. Seems to be 3-phase. It's got a big old giant motor. All these belts and this clutch thing or whatever that is. It's cool. This lever that actuates the shaft seems to operate that. It's really neat. Yeah, lathe is something that I've always wanted, just for making spacers and bushings and all that sort of stuff. So I figure this is a good thing to have. It's really neat. Stoked to get using it. Boy, is it heavy. I don't know. We figure it's most of 10,000 pounds. I don't know if it's closer to 5, 6, 7,000, but as you could see in that footage, I mean, it was just about all the forklift had, and it was putting the little 50 up on its front wheels and tires, lifting the rear. So it's a heavy unit, but you know what they say, they don't make them like they used to, and I figure as long as we could get this one working nice and smooth and true, it'll do some good work. Looks like it's got about 6 feet this way, and I think 22.5 inches in this direction. The swing 22.5, and then 72-inch between centers. So there's a lot of capability here. Pretty cool old machine. And a lot of learning to take place here. Really stoked about this. Really glad I scored this thing, and I just can't wait to get it going, and can't wait to be able to make bushings and spacers and all sorts of stuff with this. I think it's going to be a real help in the shop, and it might make for some fun videos for y'all to watch. So looking forward to it, and man, what a beast of a piece of equipment. I definitely never thought I would have a lathe this size. It's just amazing, the equipment from back in the day. It's a lot of metal, and it's impressive. Love it. I hope y'all are just as excited about this thing as I am. I'm really looking forward to getting it all set up, finding a final place for it to sit, and hooking it up and using it. I think it's going to be a real help in the shop. Got to thank my buddy Todd for hauling it to me, and squatting the heck out of his Tahoe, as you might have seen in the video. Looked pretty funny, but he got it to me, so that's awesome. Once again, thanks for watching, thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see y'all soon. And Merry Christmas. Christmas is coming up. Hope y'all all have a great one, and we'll see you soon.